My name is Ronald Rael. I am an architect, a designer, an artist, and I'm an educator. I'm a professor of architecture at UC Berkeley, and I'm based between the small village of La Florida, Colorado, and Berkeley, California. When I was approached by the Triennial, I think I had a lot of ideas that were interconnected, and it took a while to synthesize them down. They were related to the contemporary border, the historic border. They're also related to my practice where I 3D print with mud, but also where I make traditional building materials out of mud. And so it became a story about the conflation and the confluence of all those things in a way. You know, there was so many things that happened during the production of this project. It wasn't just a year-long project, but it's something I've been working on for the last 6 or 7 years. And so there's been a lot of uncovery, a lot of discovery. And I think one thing that I could share is just how many voices and hands are in this work. People that I never knew, people that I met, people with stories to tell that unfolded this really complex history along the way of the process.